Here's a clear and simple guide on how to fix the connection failed error on your Reolink camera. If your camera isn't connecting, don't stress. There are a few things you can try that usually solve the problem quickly. Start by checking whether your camera has a firmware update available. Go to the official Reolink website, look up your exact camera model, and see if there's a newer firmware version you can download. Updating can clear out glitches and bugs that sometimes cause connection errors, especially on older devices. Keeping the firmware current also improves stability and prevents random dropouts that may seem unrelated but actually stem from outdated software. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Make sure the camera is close enough to your router because a weak signal is one of the most common reasons the connection fails. Also remember that most Reolink cameras only work on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz. So confirm that your router is broadcasting 2.4 GHz and that your camera is trying to connect to the right one. It's also worth double checking that your Wi-Fi name and password are typed correctly inside the app, since even one wrong character can stop the connection from working. Sometimes simply forgetting the Wi-Fi network in the app and reconnecting helps refresh the link and fix hidden configuration issues. If everything looks correct but the camera still won't connect, try restarting your devices. Unplug both the camera and your Wi-Fi router, wait about half a minute, then plug them back in. This often clears out temporary network issues that cause random disconnects. If none of that works, your last option is to reset the camera. The reset process varies depending on which model you own, so check the user manual or Reolink's support page for the correct method. Keep in mind that a factory reset erases all safe settings, so only use this step if the earlier fixes didn't work. After resetting, you can set it back up from scratch, and most of the time the camera connects normally once everything is fresh and properly reconfigured.